So Fur Elise right hand, we begin in the A minor position, thumb on A, B, C, D, E. Our fourth finger will play D sharp, the black key, instead of D at the beginning. So we begin by playing 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, then 2 on B. The fourth comes off the D sharp, plays D, C with third, and A with 1. So let's listen to that again. So 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 2, 4 onto the white key, 3, 1. We then come right down to middle C, and our hand should be something like this. C1, E2, A4, and B5. So we bring our thumb up to the E with 1, E, G sharp 2, B4, and C5. So, and E on its own, right up to E again, and we repeat that little loop. Exactly the same. Middle C, exactly the same. C, E, A, B, 1, 2, 4, 5. And this time to close that little first section, E with a thumb, high C for 5, B4, A3. So all together that will be like this. So we finished on A, we put our thumb on it, and we just play up the notes consecutively after that. So we go B, C, D, E, thumb on G, little finger rises up one note to F, and we play 5, 4, 3, F, E, D. We keep that shape, and we step down a note on the piano with our hand in this position, and we go F, E, D, C, so, and step down a note with our hand in that position again to this, and go E, D, C, B. So let's look at those shapes. We have that, we step down a note, step down a note. So when we play them from thumb to top, so G, F, E, D, F, E, D, C, E, D, C, B. So it's from bottom to top, bottom to top, bottom to top. And then we repeat the opening section again. Okay, that's the first section of Fur Elise in the right hand, and we'll now look at the left hand. Good luck. Okay, so the left hand of Fur Elise, we're in the key of A minor, and we're just going to play the notes A, E, and A. Middle C is here for your reference, so we go A, E, A, we drop down, we play E, E, so 5, 1, and cross over to the middle black key in the group of 3, G sharp with finger 2, and come back to A, E, A, 5, 2, 1 again. With the right hand, this is the way it sounds. We keep coming in with the last note of the right hand melody. So together, A, E, A, and together, E, E, G sharp, A, E, A. And we're going to repeat that left hand. The next section we'll move up to C. We're going to go C, G, C. So, and we go down to G, D and G, 5, 2, 1 all the time. Back to our A, E, A. and back down to E. And we play E, E, E. Okay, there's a more complicated version I'll show later on, but for the moment we could then just go back into Okay, good luck with that.